Carm's Caribbean Cruise, day number 4, we have arrived in Cozumel, Mexico. So we had a ton planned today, and honestly, when you're on these cruise ships, it kind of feels like you're living multiple days in one day with the amount of stuff you can have going on. So in the morning we got off, it was another beautiful sunny day. This port had a lot to it, so even if you weren't doing an excursion, you could still get off, listen to some music, have something to eat, drink, and shop. Our excursion was taking this dune buggy thing through the jungle, through the water, mud, over rocks, you name it. Garrett drove over it. He had a ton of fun. And then we arrived at a freshwater cenote. So it was stunning. This water was crystal clear, folks. And here's Garrett. Yep, he's jumping in. So anyone who wanted to climb on top, you had an opportunity to do a little cliff diving. Garrett said the water was super warm. And we also made some furry friends, so it's also a bat cave, I guess. For dinner, we went to one of the cruise ship's specialty restaurants called Wonderland. And as you can see, they had their own little spin on Alice in Wonderland. It was an experience. That's all I gotta say. Every piece of food, every drink we ordered, it had its own experience and flair. Like, this is how you read the menu. You have a little paintbrush, and that's how you read the menu. How cool is that? My cotton candy drink was delicious. Or maybe I'm just saying that because I love cotton candy. Smoked deviled eggs. And we basically ate and drank our way through the restaurant. 2 thumbs up. It was delicious. We even had the Mad Hatter stop and give us a little chat. Here's us walking through the casino because, yes, they have a full casino on this cruise ship. They have everything. We had reservations to the ice show, and I was really excited about that because I used to ice skate when I was little, so I was not going to miss this. As I said before in previous videos, these performances are completely free. You just have to make reservations, and as you can see, these are very high-end performances. And what's nice about these shows on the ship was they're only about 50 minutes to an hour maybe. They do 2 shows a night. So it's great to just go to a show, have a good time for an hour, and then boom, you're off to doing something else. We met up with some friends after to catch up about everyone's day. And here we are having zero fun. So just not having a good time at all, wishing, we were in snowy Buffalo, and yeah. No, we were having a lot of fun. Side note, Aaron Woods and Clint White shut the cruise down with their singing ability, so thank you for that. All right, stay tuned for day 5.